In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online quiz using Google Forms. Whether you're an educator trying to engage your students or someone organizing a small group activity, Google Forms offers an intuitive way to craft quizzes effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type drive.google.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account credentials. Once you are on the Google Drive homepage, locate the New button on the left side of the screen. It's hard to miss. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, scroll down until you see Google Forms. Hover over it and you'll see another menu pop out. From there, click on Blank Quiz to start from scratch with a fresh form. You now have a blank canvas to work on, and the first thing you'll want to do is give your form a name. You'll find this option at the top of the page. Click on Untitled Form and type in the name that best describes your quiz. This will help you stay organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple quizzes in the future. Next, let's tweak some settings to ensure this form functions as a quiz. Click on the Settings option located at the top right corner. In the Settings menu, look for an option that says Make this a quiz. Toggle it on. This essential step is what transforms your form into a quiz, enabling you to assign points and specify correct answers for each question. Navigate back to the main form screen and click on the Questions tab if it's not already open. Now the fun part begins, adding your questions. Click on the Add Question button, which you'll find on the right hand side. You'll see various types of questions that you can choose from, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or even short answer questions. Choose the format that best fits each question you have in mind. Once your questions are added, it's time to fill in the answers. Click on each question and specify the correct answers under the Answer Key option. This is also where you can assign points for each question, giving you control over how each one is weighted in the overall quiz score. Finally, take a moment to customize your quiz to make it more appealing. Google Forms allows you to change the theme and add images or videos to create a more engaging experience for quiz takers. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish your quiz. Click on Publish and then share the link with your audience. You can send it via email, social media, or embed it on a website, providing convenient access to everyone who needs to take it. There you have it, an engaging online quiz ready for action using Google Forms. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and look forward to seeing all the wonderful quizzes you create. Thanks for watching.